Almost done now, so let's get finished. New layer, and I'm going to call that www. Just going to give ourselves a little bit more space. So if we go out to frame 90, say, drag down all the layers and then insert frames. So that as we make our animation on this layer, we're going to be able to see the other things in place. So back to 55 and insert a keyframe, and it's the text we're going to put in place here. www, you choose your font size, color, etc. from the properties. I'm happy with what I've got there. So if we now choose the select tool and modify, convert to symbol, www. There's a graphic in the library, there we see it. Okay, we're going to position that in the center as we've done before. So there we are, straight center of the screen. And at 60, we will insert a keyframe. We want to go back to frame 55 where we want to make the lettering big. So we should know how to do this now. If not, it's the transform tool. Make sure the link is connected. And again, we'll just make it 500%. There we are. We go from big to small. So inside is a classic tween. And then at 65, we're going to insert a keyframe, and what we're going to do, very simply, we're going to move our text up just underneath the creator of the text we had, and finally create a classic tween. Classic tween is working fine. We've got some extra frames at the end, that's fine. If we hit the return, then we can see the whole thing. All looks good. And one final thing, control, test movie. We can do it in a browser or Flash Professional. Let's put it in Flash Professional, and there we see it, and it will repeat. So there you go, there's our first main Flash animation. Lots of frames, keyframes, classic tweens and symbols. So hopefully you found that one not too bad, and it'll be time to move on to the next.